Hi friends, welcome back to the channel. Today we are doing a post-Halloween and Halloween party clean with me. Y'all, my house was literally trashed. Like, not in a bad way, like in a we had a hell of a great time at this party way, but there were drinks on the floor, bottles and cans and cups absolutely everywhere. So much like food left over and left out that we need to clean up. So luckily, Zoe and my friend Julia, the morning after the party, did a great job getting kind of like the really gross stuff up, getting like the main food and drinks kind of cleaned up. So that was really helpful because I wasn't feeling well that morning and I'm sick right now. You might be able to tell by my voice. So I haven't been feeling my best, but over the course of the past week, I've been able to slowly and surely get this house finally cleaned up. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure you give it a like if you do and enjoy cleaning with me because there is a lot to do.
You say you love me, say you're thinking of me, but you're just lonely. Tell me I'm special, but to you I'm anybody. To you I'm anybody. To you I'm anybody. To you I'm anybody. Anybody. To you I'm anybody. To you I'm anybody. To you I'm anybody. You say you love me.
So obviously this is kind of the floor area where the bar was, and you guys, I cannot express to you how sticky the floor was. It literally was like the floor at a frat house because it was so sticky. Literally, I had to get on my hands and knees and absolutely scrub. You can see how disgusting this towel was. But this is after Zoe had already tried to clean it 2 times with like just floor cleaner and a mop. Literally had to get it on my hands and knees and absolutely scrub it. And it honestly probably needs to get scrubbed a couple more times because I just feel like there's just like grime there. So I'm gonna have to do it again, but I could not believe how sticky it was. It was literally insane. You can tell people were definitely spilling drinks over there.
To you I'm anybody. To you I'm anybody. To you I'm anybody. Anybody. To you. To you.
Y'all, I really did acquire so much more Halloween this year, like more than I really realized, I feel like. I'm pretty sure I've almost doubled the amount of boxes that I need to hold all of the Halloween stuff that I have now from last year, which is insane because it took us 2 hours to unbox everything at the beginning of September. And next year, that means it's probably gonna take me 4 hours to unbox all of the Halloween that I have, especially because I have huge things now, like my 13-foot Jack Skellington and my Home Depot pumpkins outside. So there's just so much more stuff and it's literally insane. So I can't wait to do Decorate with Me's again next year because I feel like it's just gonna get better and better every year, and that makes me so excited. All right, you guys, and then I pretty much just started folding the absolute insane amount of laundry that I needed to get through so that I can clean up our room. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure you give it a like, hit that subscribe button down below, especially if you want to see the Christmas content, because we're going to start decorating for Christmas pretty soon here, and I am so excited to show you everything that I have and that I'm going to be doing for Christmas this year. It's going to be so festive and I literally cannot wait. So make sure you guys subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.